Hi guys, welcome to Scandinavian Coffee here in Hemsedal, Norway. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of a Sage Barista Express machine, which Sage is also known as Breville. Let's do it. Ooh. Okay. I'd say this is a great first espresso machine for anyone at home who's getting into to the espresso game, because it is a big, it's a big challenge, espresso. I would say you definitely have to love coffee to want to make it, especially espresso. It's a fickle hobby. Maybe that's a good way to express it. Comes with your, I believe it's 54 meter portafilter basket. You've got your 54, yeah, here it is. Your baskets, 3 baskets, cleaning kit. So really important with espresso machines is you want to clean them, keep them clean. You've got your tamper, the razor. Oh my God. Okay. This is how to not unbox it. So here we go, here's the machine. So you're getting so the great thing about these machines is you're getting a grinder built into the whole system. So, and it's a really good grinder too. They've got, Breville Sage has got. So you got your little milk pitcher. You've got this is the hopper. I like how everything's wrapped. They've done a great job. Ooh, so there you go. Learning how to read the manual. So we have the beautiful black version here. Steam one, got the grind adjustment here. You've got your programs here. It even comes with a new little cone. So you put that on there into the grinder, and then you don't get grinds everywhere. So that's kind of a cool little adjustment. The tamper actually fits into there, which is quite nice. So you can take that out, or you leave it in there if you want to manually tamp. Yeah, I think this is if you're going to get any espresso machine set up for your first time, this is the perfect one. You'll learn how to make great espresso, and then eventually, yeah, you might outgrow this with your skill base, so you can update to a prosumer machine, which is, yeah, those are double in price, triple in price. So yeah, a super nice little machine to put in your kitchen. Yeah, it doesn't have a huge footprint either. I really like it. So yeah, you've got your water reserve back here, which is, I believe, 2 liters. Yeah, 2 liters. Great machine, great price. Yeah, this is the one we recommend for all our customers, and some great coffee to go with it. So this would be a great gift for Father's Day. So here's the machine assembled. We're going to do a separate video to show, yeah, how to make some espresso on the Sage Barista Express, and yeah, I hope you like this unboxing.